Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm Caitlin. I'm a licensed hairdresser and this is my beautiful client Courtney. So it's been about 4 months since the last time we've colored her hair and she normally likes it pretty bright and icy and lived in. So we are just going to do a touch up. Since she wants a few inches cut off, I like to do that before applying the color so that way I don't waste any extra color. So I'm just going ahead and dry cutting that now and then I will refine it later. And I am slicing her foils so that way we can get maximum impact and get it super bright, but I'm still leaving some hair out in between the foils so that way we preserve her natural dimension. Kinda hoping that you don't see. I don't wanna FaceTime, I'm wanting you to hold me. I just wanna spend nights. I'm just trying to spend nights. I just wanna spend nights. I'm just trying to spend nights. I like to take the hair in vertical sections around the face, doing a couple of back-to-back foils for bright impact whenever she wears her hair up. How can I be cool? I've been simping on the low key, breaking all these rules, got me posting shit they don't see. See, I've been trying to spend nights with you. And I'm sure you've probably noticed that I am leaving a lot of the brightened ends out, so that just prevents any breakage and overlapping of the lightener on the ends that are already lifted enough. In this room, go ahead, use and abuse me. I'm just trying to spend nights. If you see me wiping her foils with a towel, it's just to wipe away any excess products so that way her lightener doesn't swell whenever we put it under heat, because her hair does require heat in order for it to lift, and I just want to avoid any bleeder marks. And I am adding a money piece right here, so I'm doing 3 back-to-back slice foils. I just wanna spend nights with you on the low key. Even though I act cool, lately I've been lonely. Trying to hide a face, kinda hoping that you don't see. I don't wanna FaceTime, I'm wanting you to hold me. I just wanna spend nights. I'm just trying to spend nights. I just wanna spend nights. I'm just trying to spend nights. Yeah. Young pretty fly thing, she knows this. Phone filled with videos and poses. Don't need a compliment, just notice. Been trying to get them all in focus. See the line, trying to find where your heart's at. So she processed for about 10 minutes without heat and then about 15 minutes under heat to get the right lift. And this is my heater from Minerva Beauty. So these are the formulas 6N, 6NA for her root smudge and 9NA, 9P, and 9V for her gloss. So I'm just root tapping her hair because she likes to keep the brightness a little bit higher up, but I also like to blend any lines of demarcation from the foil so that way she gets a nice grow out and can go 3 months between her appointments. I just wanna spend nights with you on the low key, even though I act. So here I'm just checking and refining her cut and adding the face framing layers. Now I'm beach waving her with my Ionic extra long barrel 1-inch curling iron. I just wanna spend nights. I'm just trying to spend nights. I just wanna spend nights. I'm just trying to spend nights. And this is the finished product. We love it. I love the blend from her natural root to the bright blonde, and the money pieces look amazing. If you like videos like this, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.